Hey guys, Chad and Charles out here in Heath, Texas. We're back at one of our favorite customers' houses. We did a video a few months ago out here doing their outdoor system. So we've put in some AW650s out here. We did a PRO-10SW rock sub down there in the corner, and he liked it so much he wants another subwoofer out here. So Charles is right now unboxing the PRO-10SW landscape subwoofer. So we're going to be putting it over out here. We're going to be running the cable up into the attic. It's actually going to go across 3 attics into the cabinet where all the other amplifiers are. So we're going to get to work on all that and show you the process along the way. So inside of the PRO-10SW landscape subwoofer, see this is the vertical cylindrical one. In the top of the box it comes with the manuals plus some all-weather wire nuts here. So these actually include a weatherproofing silicone inside here that seals up the cables inside there once it's done. So you can see here there's 4 conductors on here. It's got a nice weather seal grommet here, and it's got a mushroom top, so you can even see down here in the bottom it's got a nice metal mesh so that nothing can get up inside there. So we're going to go ahead and get all everything measured in place so we can start digging. Alright, Charles is finished digging the hole and he's test fitting the PRO-10SW landscape subwoofer. Get you a little bit closer in on this. He's double checking the measurements. Klipsch wants it to be a 10-inch deep hole. Show you the hole we've got here. 14 inches in diameter and 10 inches deep. So it looks like we're pretty spot on here. We can backfill in the hole. But we're going to level it all out, make sure we're good here, and get the cable run and start trenching the cable over to get it up into the attic. So you can see we're going to be transferring from this attic here, got to go up and over to this attic, and then there is even another attic over here that transfers down all the way over here. So we've got to go through basically up here all the way over and around down here, and there's a cabinet basically just to the right of this speaker here where we put all the amplifiers and everything is wired to. So we're going to be getting that going. Alright, so we've got our PRO-10SW landscape subwoofer in the ground. We've got the cable all trenched through here. You can't even tell we're over here. And coming at the wall here, we've tucked in nicely along the gutter. We've got the 14.4 speaker cable going all the way down and then trenched all the way down here. So we've got everything in here. Now we're going to go inside and drop the cable down to the cabinet and connect everything. Alright guys, so we're in customer's master bathroom here. We're putting in a new mount for the TV so that the TV can articulate further. It's got a 36-inch reach on this arm, so it'll be able to fully extend and articulate around to reach other angles of the bathroom. We're replacing these really cheap, looks like about 4-inch speakers here with the Klipsch DS-180CDT. So we're putting in 2 of these. We're replacing, there's one speaker right there. You can see it with the fan blade, and another one right here. So we're going to be replacing those and putting in some nice Klipsch speakers here.
So Chad's going to get back into his native environment here and get some holes cut in the ceiling to accommodate those speakers.
DS series of the, or designer series of the Klipsch speakers. These 180 CDTs, actually, you can see they've got picture of speakers here. They can actually pivot in that direction. So if you've got them on a roof, let's say in the ceiling here, you want it angled towards a specific seating position, you can actually aim them. You can see it's a little off center. The tweeter, obviously, or also is fully aimable in here. So it's just a nice feature. We like to use those. Really like to do any system with aimable woofers and tweeters so that we can be prepared for most any circumstances. Struggle getting the grill off with the previous speaker. You get these grills off just like that. These are fully paintable. You do whatever you want with them, but they complement these speakers nicely. There is no bezel, and perfectly lined up. Out with the old, in with the new.
And that's how it's done.
All right, and in the master bathroom, we have put a new articulating arm that extends 36 inches. We've got so that she can move it all around the whole bathroom here. So you can see there's lots of area in this bathroom so that she can have it all come around. I've got a Sonos amp under here so that they've got the TV sound as well as music coming out of their new in-ceiling speakers. So we replaced some old janky speakers that really didn't work much anymore, but they weren't really that good to begin with. We put in new DS designer series 8-inch speakers in here. So we've got all that going. We showed you the installation of that as well. All right, guys, if you want a system like this, please don't hesitate to call us. Again, we're Pure Media Systems. You can reach us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We'll have all that right down here below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We can, of course, ship nationwide, or if you're in the DFW area, we can help you install your system. We can help you design the system to fit into your yard, your home, your business, so that you get the right equipment for your application. Please don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thanks, guys.